Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 3 ingredients to make this healthy drink, and they are ginger, honey and lemon. Now let's check out the health benefits of the ingredients. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure, and it's very good for your heart. Ginger also helps in weight loss and lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar levels and heals inflammation. It stimulates digestion and thus helps in weight loss. The next ingredient is honey. Honey contains a variety of nutrients rich in antioxidants, better for blood sugar levels, improves heart health, promotes burn and wound healing, suppress cold in children, and it is very easy to add in your diet. The next ingredient is lemon. Lemon boosts your metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Now let's check out how to make this healthy drink with these 3 key ingredients. I've taken a cup of warm water. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, a teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You'll just need half a lemon. Mix all the ingredients well. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink in empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink boosts your immunity, so do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Neem flower ginger tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan, and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium till the end. Today I've taken a bunch of neem leaves. You can see we have some flowers on it. Pick the flowers and add it to the water. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Neem flowers has a lot of health benefits such as reducing bile, controlling phlegm and reducing intestinal worms. These flowers are a natural immunity booster, relaxes and relieves stress, great for skin, offers hair benefits, has antiseptic properties, helpful in muscle spasm and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this neem flower ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now, and the flavors of the neem flower and the ginger has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Serve the neem flower ginger tea nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this neem flower ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.